Moving forward towards the method number 2, that is by using a filter method and a lambda function. So what we are going to do over here is we are going to use a lambda function in which we are checking that if that string 1 is present in our element of the list 1 or not. If it is present, then we are filtering that element and we are converting it into the list, and after that we are storing it into the list number 2 and we have them as an output. Moving forward towards the method number 3, that is by using a regular expression. So first we are going to import our library, that is import re. After that initializations, and we are going to use an re.search method over here. So what we are going to do is we are searching that particular string 1 into each and every element of our list 1, and if that particular element is present in the list of the strings, then we are storing that element into list number 2 and we have them as an output.